Hi guys, this is Mz.Shortcake and I am here with a little haul from Happy Crafter Shop. This is the kit I bought from her. And look how cute. She put this on the cover. So let's look inside. As you know, I am like obsessed with strawberry shortcake. And I love the little thing it says, help support my small business, snap, share, and tag. Will definitely do. And then here she has her little information and her handles. How awesome. And then she has, I like these stickers. It says, you are about to make a huge smile. I hope your face muscles are ready. These are so cool. So of course there's a whole bunch of shred. Pink and more pink. I love it. And here she has some bows. So this is like her strawberry shortcake kit, I think it was. Or strawberry. I know she was selling to make a dangle. So, and I guess it all came with this kit. So she has these bows. How cute are these? Super cute bows. And then she has, let me go in here. Then she has these shakers. Little, I love these little flowers. These little Fimo. These are all Fimo. And and then there's some sea beads in it. Super cute mix. I love this mix. Thank you very much. And then she has these containers with things. I did open it, but I was like, I should film it. So there's these little, like, what are appliques? Look how beautiful those little appliques are. And then she has a pink one also. Super, super cute appliques. I love that. And then it came with some cabochons or flatbacks, whatever. Strawberry soda. Some strawberry milk. This is my favorite, the vintage strawberry shortcake. This is the newer strawberry shortcake. And then now there's another newer one, which, yeah. I love these shortcake. Look how cute. There's a few of those. 3 of those, actually. Then there's these, I guess you can put an image or almost like a bottle cap. But these are rhinestones and really cute. And then she has some strawberries. They feel almost like silicone, but they're not. And then the bows, these really cute tiny bows. Get rid of this shred. Then some little velvet heart, super cute. I think I have these. I'm not sure. I have to go through my stuff. Okay, I don't have those, but I know I have these. These are the gingham hearts. How cute are those? And of course, more strawberries. These little white hearts, super cute. Oh, and on here, there's a little dangle for the whatever I decide to turn into a charm. I love this. Love, love, love. Okay, and then this is the kit. It's all beads. I don't know if I should open it. It'll probably take longer since I'm trying to do it with one hand. So can I? No, I cannot. So, but there it is. This is like the strawberry kit beads. I love them. Sorry about the glare. Some of these beads are beautiful. And then, to top it off, she printed out some paper. Let me see if that's... Oh, I forgot another little thing. Look how cute. The old vintage one. Okay, and I think that's it for in here. Okay, and then she printed out paper. I want to say this is probably like a 6x8. So she printed this one. How adorable is this? The newer strawberry shortcake. Look how cute. She could be fuzzy cut and done into like cards. I like this color. This is like my favorite combo color, I have to tell you guys. But not that green. I like more like a mint. And last but not least, another image. So thank you very much, Lisa. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love it so much. Can't wait to do that and then play with all these. I want to make like a big chunky charm. That's what I want to do. So hopefully I can do that soon and then use all this stuff too. Super cute. So again, here are her handles. This is where you can find her. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.